If you want to change your Namecheap DNS settings, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to update your name servers step by step, so you can point your domain to your hosting provider without getting lost in the process. This is a really useful tutorial if you've just bought a domain, started a new website, or need to connect your Namecheap domain to another platform like WordPress, Shopify, or a web host. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your account, head over to the dashboard. This is where you'll see all of your domains and account tools in one place. From the dashboard, click on Domain List. Here, you'll find every domain that you've registered through Namecheap. Now look for the domain that you want to connect to your hosting provider. If you have multiple domains, make sure you choose the correct one, because changing DNS settings on the wrong domain can point the wrong website to the wrong place. Once you find the right domain, click Manage next to it. This will open the domain settings page, where you can control name servers, advanced DNS options, and other domain-related settings. On this page, scroll until you find the Nameservers section. This is the part you need to edit in order to change where your domain is pointing. By default, Namecheap may have basic DNS or another default option selected. Click the drop-down menu and select Custom DNS. Choosing Custom DNS tells Namecheap that you want to manually enter the name servers provided by your hosting company or website platform. Next, enter Nameserver 1 exactly as it was provided by your hosting provider. Be careful here, because nameservers must be typed correctly for your domain to connect properly. After that, enter Nameserver 2 from your provider as well. If your hosting company gave you more nameservers, go ahead and add those additional entries too. Some providers only give 2, while others may provide 3 or 4 for redundancy and reliability. Once all of the nameservers are entered, double-check everything one more time. Make sure there are no spelling errors, missing characters, or extra spaces. When you're ready, click the green check mark to save the changes. This confirms your new DNS settings and sends the update to Namecheap. After you save, the last thing you need to do is wait for the name server changes to propagate. DNS propagation can take some time, and in some cases it may be fairly quick, while in other cases it can take several hours, or even longer depending on your network and provider. During this time, your domain may not update instantly everywhere, so don't worry if the change doesn't show up right away. Once propagation is complete, your Namecheap domain should point to the new hosting provider successfully. And that's it. You've now learned how to change Namecheap DNS settings and update your name servers the right way. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.